Welcome to Slow Home Studio. Too many people live in badly designed houses, and we want to change that.
Today is Tuesday, June 21st, and we're going to be introducing a new design project for the weekend.
Not a laneway house?
No, not a laneway house. We've finished the laneway house project after about 3 weeks, so we're going to try a different design project. We're going to carry on our discussion that we started yesterday when we looked at the apartment loft remodel from New York by Pull Tab Architects. And you'll remember from the discussion yesterday, they had to create a dining space in an apartment loft that really didn't have an obvious place for a dining table.
That's right, it was a really nice project. And so what we thought we should do is give you the opportunity to see if you can figure out how to put a dining space into this townhouse. Not an apartment, but a townhouse. It's 1940s vintage in Pittsburgh. It's about 1,100 square feet on 2 floors. It's got an underdrive, some kind of basement in the bottom. That's not really critical. What we're really looking at is just this main floor plan. So pretty straightforward. We've got an entry at the front with a front hall closet and then just a single run stair going up and down on the side. Very efficient plan. Got a longish hallway, quite effective. And then we've got 2 living spaces. One at the front that's quite deep that looks out onto the street. And then we've got another one at the back that is proportioned more sideways with 2 large windows that look out into the back garden. And in the middle of that, we have an enclosed old-style U-shaped kitchen.
Yeah, so there's a couple ways that you could approach this design project. And one way is that you could just take the more minimalist approach and show us where you would place the dining room table in this plan, because like John said, there's not really an obvious place for the dining room table, and maybe you have to come up with some sort of a millwork detail or some way of grounding the table and be creative and see what you can come up with.
That's right. You can also just look at taking those walls down. If you want to be a little bit more interventionist, then you might want to consider moving the kitchen to some other location in the plan, seeing what you can come up with. So that's what we've got as an option. You can do whatever you would like to this. We're going to be reviewing our plan at the end of the week, as well as all of those that are submitted.
We look forward to seeing your submissions. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
If you're interested in learning more about the principles of slow home design, you can pick up a copy of our book entitled What's Wrong with This House? It's a practical guide to finding a well-designed and sustainable home. It's available for sale on the Slow Home Studio website. It's also available for sale at Amazon.com in both paperback and the Kindle format.